On a Saturday afternoon, we decided to head to the park with our beloved toy poodle, Cookie. The kids were ecstatic, knowing that they would get to spend the day playing and running around in the open space. As for Cookie, she absolutely loves going for a stroll in her baby cart, so she was wagging her tail with excitement. As we arrived at the park, the kids were eager to start playing, and my daughter, Mayu, couldn't wait to whip out her ukulele. She had been practicing diligently for weeks and was eager to show off her skills. The sun was shining brightly, but the wind provided a refreshing breeze that kept us cool. As I sat back and watched them, I couldn't help but feel grateful for moments like these. It's the simple things in life that bring us the most joy: spending time with loved ones, enjoying the great outdoors, the warmth of the sun. These are the moments that we will cherish forever, and I am thankful that we were able to create such beautiful memories on this sunny and windy day at the park.